meeting. So far, we have seen one-way conversation. That is, we have given one input, and if I say Alexa, open that skill, Alexa will open that skill and show the output. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to do some conversation. We are going to ask some questions to Alexa. Alexa will reply for that. So here I have taken scheduling a meeting. We will go to developer.amazon.com. Alexa, create Alexa skill. Console. Create skill. Already I have done the schedule meeting. I am deleting that one. Create skill. Since the name of the skill is scheduling a meeting, simply I am giving schedule meeting. So this is my skill name. Next I have to choose yours for English. This is the known language in the list. I am not familiar with any other language. So I have to select Indian English. Here I am going to converse with, I am going to talk to Alexa. So I know only Indian English. So if I talk in Indian English, Alexa will understand. So I am choosing the Indian English. If I choose US English, then I have to talk in that US accent. So it is not possible for me. So I am going with Indian English. Choose a model, custom model, and posting method. Here you can go with either Node.js or Python. So in this video we will go with Python. Create skill. Start from scratch. Continue with template. It will take time. We have selected Python over there in the first screen, that is backend code. So always we are going to write the backend code in either Node.js or Python. You can use any other your familiar language also, which is supported by this Amazon. And the front end code is written by JSON. It's written in JSON. So go to invocation, schedule meeting. So this is my invocation name. Leave it as it is. A skill name is a schedule meeting, and my invocation name also I am giving as a schedule meeting. Go to interaction model, intent. So in the previous classes we have seen, that is we have used hello world intent. So Alexa will provide, Amazon will provide me the function of hello world program. Here I am going to create my own conversation with Alexa. So I have to create my own intent. Intent means intention. So add, here see this button, add intent. Click here, create custom intent. Under this, what is the custom intent? Schedule meeting intent. So see here, it should start in capital letter, meeting, M starts in uppercase letter, and intent small letter. So it should be same like this. Create custom intent, sample iterants, what might a user say to invoke the intent? So how can I call the intent? I can say open schedule meeting. Or I can say organize a meeting or schedule meeting for me. So you can say any phrases. So here slot. So slot is a variable. So already we have seen the previous videos. Slot is a variable that is changeable. So here if I say Alexa create a meeting or schedule a meeting, Alexa will ask me at what day I should schedule a meeting. So I should say the day. So it may be either Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. So that slot is variable. It is changing. So I can either schedule on Monday or either schedule on Friday. So that day is changing. Here my slot is day. So slot is a variable that can be changed. So day, click plus, here type day. So this is Amazon day of week. Default Amazon slot, intent slot. The slot type is day of week. This day we have created day. This comes under this slot type. Okay, we have created our own intent slot day. So it comes under Amazon day of week. The next one. So next question what Alexa will ask. So what is the time of the meeting? So what is the time of the meeting? Plus here type time. So this intent slot time will come under this slot type. That is Amazon dot time. The next one phone. This type phone. Amazon phone number. This intent slot comes under Amazon phone number. So this is the thing that's all. And then save. So here see intent is there. Schedule meeting intent is there. So what are the things? Iterants, 2 iterants we have written, and slot, 3 slots we have created, day, time and phone number. So go to this slot types, click that one. So here you are having Amazon day of week, Amazon phone number, Amazon time. This is everything we have done. Click this Amazon day of week. So this is Amazon day of week. Click the day. So after clicking the day, you should check intent, schedule meeting intent, then the slot is day. So everything is correct and the slot type is Amazon day of week. Here we are going to write the dialog. So what is the dialog? So what Alexa should ask, what Alexa should converse with us. So that we have to write here. Is the slot required to fulfill the intent? Yes. So what is the question Alexa will ask? I will say, Alexa, schedule a meeting. Then Alexa want to know at what day and time the meeting should occur. So what is the Alexa will ask this question. What is the day of the meeting? You can write your own phrase. I'm writing what is the day of the meeting. Enter. And then iterants. You have to give iterants. So what is the iterant? Day. Type curly braces, then you will get the existing slot. Click the day, add, and slot confirmation. No confirmation is needed. The next one, save this. The next one, time. We'll go to the time. So click the time. So you have to check here. It is time. The slot type is Amazon Book Time. Everything is correct. Enable this. So Alexa should ask me. We are writing what Alexa should talk. What is the time of the meeting? Already we have said what is the day of the meeting. What is the time of the meeting? And here curly braces, so time. Select the time. Plus. That's all. Save. And now go to the third one, phone number. So it is in alphabetic order. The third one is phone number. Check here, phone, Amazon phone number, slot type. So what Alexa will talk? I said Alexa schedule a meeting. Then Alexa should ask me what is the day of the meeting. Then I should say the day of the meeting. For example, Monday or Sunday. And the next question Alexa will ask is, so what is the time of the meeting? So I should say any time. So after that, Alexa should say me, I will book a meeting. I will schedule a meeting. Please tell me your phone number. I can text you. I can text you the schedule. So I can schedule a meeting. Kindly tell your phone number. I will text you. So this is a conversation. So phone number, we are giving a numeric number, 10-digit number. So we have to confirm whether Alexa has heard it correct or not. So here we need the confirmation. The confirmation slot we need, because we are telling the phone number to Alexa, any 10-digit number. So confirmation is required here. That is, Alexa should read out our phone number to confirm whether this is the phone number or not. So Alexa should say, I have heard. So what Alexa has here? The phone number. So what is the slot? Phone. So you should insert the slot. I have heard phone number. Is it correct? So Alexa is asking us, I have here the phone number. The phone, sorry, is it correct? Question mark. Okay, in the phone number, what is the phone number I am telling? It will record. It will come here. It will come as an input here. So plus this one. Save everything. Done good. Save model. And JSON. We will go to the JSON editor. So this is a front end code. What we have created, that will be written in JSON code. See here, schedule meeting. The intent name is schedule meeting intent. Day, Amazon, what is the type? Amazon day of week. And we are calling. Okay, we are calling. This is election. And then time. Here also only election is there. The third one, phone number, election as well as confirm slot. So we have done a mistake. That is, yes, I have written, I think so. Here no conversation is showing. In the election, slot should come. Just a moment. I'll check whether I have done everything right. The phone number, that is dialog. Yes, I have not written anything here. So Alexa should tell me your phone number. I can text you, or I will text you. Enter. So here it is phone. Yes, everything is correct right now. Okay, now go to JSON editor. Now we'll check. Now see here in the phone number, the election, that ID is there. Okay, this is the ID. So before it is not there, and also confirmation. Here what we have done, Alexa should confirm our phone number. Once we read out our phone number, Alexa should repeat the phone number for our confirmation. So here confirmation slot is there. This is the ID for the confirmation slot. Automatically it will be created by Amazon. So what is the day of the meeting? What is the time of the meeting? So every conversation it is written as a JSON program. So we have not done anything. Amazon is doing everything. Just we are giving the details. Okay. After done this intern and slots, you have to check the JSON code. So you have to get this elec.slot. This number, and also here elec.slot. This number, and here for confirmation and election you should get the number. So everything is good so far. Build model. Phone and intern scheduled meeting is not referenced in any slot. So it is showing error. I am going to this intern. Edit. So here I have to click this phone number. Okay, I have to check phone number. Slot type is phone number. Here phone should come. So that is the problem. Okay. Check this phone. So phone has come. It is under Amazon phone number. So what is the question? Tell me your phone number. I will text the meeting schedule. Here phone number of this. Okay, everything is correct. Okay. Bulk model. Let's check. So now it is working correct. So to view the slot, to give the dialog, you should click the corresponding slot type. I have not clicked this phone number slot type, so it has shown error. Now everything is correct. So for each and every time, if you are giving the day related dialog to Alexa, then you have to click here. Okay, if you are writing the time related, then you should click the time. If you are writing the phone number related, then you should click here. So everything is good, full build successful. Now directly go to test. So here today we have chosen Python 4. I'll show you the code. So this is the backend code. So in JSON editor, what we have seen is a front-end code. That is the conversation what we are making with Alexa. That is the code. This is the back-end code. So this is a Python code. We are familiar with this dialog. Welcome. You can say hello or help. Would you like to try? So I'm not going to do anything here. Go to text. Development. Change in English. Schedule meeting. So I'll talk to Alexa. Alexa, schedule meeting.
I don't see a calendar set up. Want me to send a link to your phone to set up your calendar?
So Alexa is not understanding what I'm telling. So first I'll write schedule meeting. Let's see.
Welcome. You can schedule your meeting.
Schedule meeting. Alexa, schedule meeting.
What day would you like to schedule a meeting?
Oh, my voice is not clear to Alexa. Monday.
What time you want to schedule a meeting?
This is an error. At what time you want to schedule a meeting? I have written that should. It is error. Delete that should. 8:30 a.m.
I will confirm the schedule through phone. Kindly tell me your phone number.
894815.
I have heard 89,48,115 as your number. Is that correct?
So here Alexa has not heard properly. Otherwise my voice is not clear. No.
I will schedule through phone. Kindly tell me your phone number.
948115.
I have heard 9,48,115 as your number. That's correct.
This number is also not correct. No. No.
Sorry.
I'll start fresh because I think my life is not good.
Welcome. You can schedule your meeting.
Schedule meeting.
What day would you like to schedule a meeting?
Monday.
At what should schedule a meeting?
Eight 8:30 a.m.
I will confirm the schedule through phone. Kindly tell me your phone number.
4894815.
Heard 4,89,48,000 as your number. Is that correct?
No.
I will confirm the schedule through phone. tell me your phone number?
84489481115.
I have here
44 crore 89 lakh 48,115 as your number. Is that correct?
Mic is not good. My voice is not audible to Alexa. So I should. Yes.
You just triggered scheduled meeting intent.
Just we have created a conversation with Alexa. So what we'll recall what we have done. We have created our own intent. In that intent, we have created our own slot, day, time, and phone number. Okay. For day, there is no confirmation from Alexa. For time, there is no confirmation from Alexa. For phone number, there is a confirmation dialog from Alexa. So that is, I have here 84489481115 as your phone number. Is it correct? So we have to confirm, because while talking, so many disturbance, noise, or some mic problem too. Sometimes Alexa will not hear what I am talking. So to confirm that phone number, because if Alexa hears some other number, so some wrong input is given, then the meeting schedule will go to some other person. Okay. So for that purpose, we are confirming the phone number. So now we have created the schedule. If you are having any query, so please write to my mail. I will answer for your query. So thank you so much for watching this video.